Let's also retract and remember back on that first call. You told everybody that's watching, because they're gonna be watching.
Yeah, for sure.
Your goal is to get a six-pack, right? So in order to get a six-pack, you have to think like a person that has a six-pack already.
I like that.
And think we just wanted to talk about game planning for this upcoming week.
Okay.
What you got planned for today?
Trick question.
No, just running some errands, man. Just honestly running some errands. Like, my sister wanted to go to the store and doing something with the children. And so yeah. And I have like an event for my alma mater like this evening. So, but yeah, so.
Okay, cool. So we all good to get back rolling this upcoming Monday?
Wait, I can't. No, let me say. Yeah.
No. We're gonna react to that. So upcoming Monday, what you got planned? We ready to start back?
This upcoming Monday, we gonna start back. It's gonna be love. It's gonna be good. Not just gonna get me, but we have like a going away lunch for my coworker. So I know I'm supposed to bring my own lunch and say no. But it's my guy. Like, this is my guy. Like I can't not go. I mean, I can like not eat and just like eat before.
So I want to understand this process here. Why is it that it's a must for you to have whatever is being given there? Like, why do you feel the need, even if you do go to the event, that you gotta have whatever they give you? Like, it's a must that they control what you take in.
It is not. It is not a must. Nope. It's not a must. Not at all.
Here's the thing. What I've learned about you is that you have a very social life. You have a lot of friends, a lot of family, like lots of events and things, which is great. But with that, I also want you to learn how to navigate that. Now let the events control, one, your choices that you make, your intake of food, your willpower, and like letting it just go to like whatever happens.
Right. You know right. Yeah. Just reeling that in. I got to reel it in.
We got to change the mentality that like, okay, well, this event's coming up, so I can't do my program. I can't do it for this thing. Because what I'm learning is that this isn't going to stop. Like, it's not going to be a time where you stop going to these events or you start going out, which is cool. I don't want you to stop. I want you to be able to enjoy whatever happens. You know what I mean? Whatever someone invites you to, you should be able to enjoy that. So we're not saying don't go or don't participate, but we are saying take more control of what you decide to put into your body during those events so that you can reach your goals, which is reshaping the way that you look. Let's also retract and remember back on that first call. You told everybody that's watching, because they're going to be watching.
Yeah, for sure.
Your goal is to get a six-pack, right? So in order to get a six-pack, you have to think like a person that has a six-pack already.
I like that.
And think about their decisions of what they would do if they were going to that event.
Yeah.
So in order to do so, a person with a six-pack wouldn't say, okay, well, I can't do this because this event's coming, so this my guy, so I got to have whatever he tells me to have, whatever.
Hey.
So it's more so about just, learning how to navigate those situations. Because again, don't stop.
There's always going to be something. You're right. It's always,
Yeah. And that's been the path, you know what I mean? Like prior to the program, it was like, okay, obviously go down to Florida, enjoy that situation. Your mom came in town, enjoy her, give her a great experience. what was it, that Friday when you had went out for the coworkers and they had like the nachos and stuff. And then, you know, family came to town, nieces and nephews, your sister. So it was like every week is something.
When you make it sound like that, it sounds so bad.
It's more so about like looking at the patterns and seeing that, okay, well, it's always going to be something happen. I just got to accept that I'm a social person. I like people like me. I'm popular. So that ain't going to change. So what can change within that is what I do, what I control during these situations. So the other thing is, like, you can make the food that you have taste good. You know what I mean?
Oh,
like,
facts.
Definitely make whatever you have taste great.
Yeah.
It's just about you being able to control the amount of calories you're taking in and not let other food choices distract you from the goal, the main goal. It's about having that willpower, you know? So don't let the events saying, oh, I can't start this Monday or I can't start this time. It's not about those events. It's about what you do while you're doing it and how you interact.